gonna show you how to fake a French braid in a really cool way that looks awesome when you put your hair up. You do not need to know how to French braid your hair to do this, but I will say it is still a little tricky. It's not hard once you get the hang of it. Easier than a braid, but I do find when people first try this technique, they do struggle with it still a little bit. So be easy on yourself. Give it time. You're probably still going to need to practice. You could also do this as just a half up, but I do prefer this when I'm going to put my hair up in a claw clip or something, but I want to keep my hair back. These last couple weeks, the weather's been getting warmer and has been inspiring me to get my hair back up and off my face. So we are going to start with our hair kind of loosely back. This actually, I think, works better in dirty hair, like day 2 dry shampoo hair. My hair is silky smooth today and I have no powder products, and I'm going to leave it down for the day today, so I'm not going to put any powder products, but I do think it works better if you're working with hair that has day 2 qualities. Okay, it's a little greasy, it's got a little dry shampoo. It's going to be more cooperative and easier to work with, and also it's going to hold the shapes we're creating better. But that doesn't mean you can't do it on clean hair like me, but I would usually do this on dirtier hair. That would be the day that I'm clipping my hair up in a claw clip. So we're going to start, we're going to take the front here, just like a chunk. Like, I mean, it's not like specifically measured or anything. We're just going to kind of take a chunk, and I'm going to separate that into 2 sections, and I'm literally just going to flop one section behind and one section on top, and so we've got that. So the other section, and I'm just going to drop it there. So I'm holding this section on top, and then I'm going to grab hair from over here, and I'm just gonna comb it all straight up so that there's no lumps, and then I'm just going to flop it over top, and now that's the top section, and I'm going to hold that one. And I'm just gonna do this a few times, just kind of taking chunks, flopping them over the other side, just like that. And once I have sort of done that, I'm gonna take a small claw clip. I'm gonna clip all the hair there. You could leave it like this. I would secure it more securely if you're gonna leave it like this. I've just kind of clipped it to stay up for these few seconds while I style the rest of my hair. And then I kind of leave the side pieces down. I gather up the rest of my hair. I flip it up high, just like in a normal claw clip. You know, I just kind of like randomly twist all the back. Get my ends up at the top. And then I would add some hairspray, and that's it. It looks cute. It's almost like having a French braid on top, like a loose, voluminous French braid. It's got the crisscrossy woven texture, but it's really pretty. It's a great, fun, voluminous way to actually look like you have a lot more hair as well. So 2 birds with 1 stone. You get your hair up off your face, and you look like you have more hair than you actually do. Fun, pretty, easy style for summer. I really hope you give this one a try. Remember, do not be discouraged if it feels hard. And if it feels hard, you're probably overdoing it, because you're really just putting hair one side, putting hair to the other side, putting hair to one side, putting hair to the other side. And we often want to overcomplicate these things. And usually it's either we're overcomplicating it, or we just got to get used to manipulating our hair. Don't forget, if you're someone that doesn't style your hair very often, it's going to be hard to manipulate your hair, because that is a skill you have to learn. Hand and hair manipulation is what it's called, and it is something that feels very awkward and clumsy at first. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned a fun new way to style your hair for this summer or for any time of year. Let me know in the comments if this one works out for you, or if you have any questions. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. Like, subscribe, and share my video with any of your friends who you think it would help. Bye guys.